Hi, I'm Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. In this video, we're looking at a numbers PowerPoint lesson. Let's check it out. As always, I start my classes with the rules slide where we go over the rules and I make sure the students understand if they follow the rules that we'll have a reward at the end of the class. This video and PowerPoint is about numbers, but we've previously taught numbers, so this is kind of like a little bit of a review and also going into counting with numbers, but kind of reviewing it in a different approach, in a different manner, and hopefully a little bit more fun and interesting for the students. So first slide of the numbers is we do go over the numbers. We will go over the pronunciation, we'll count everything, and I'll probably do some other stuff where I count how many boys, how many girls, how many books, blah blah blah, and once we've kind of gone over that, then we're going to go into this fun little game that's based around pool, billiards, however you want to call it, and basically they have to tell me what number the ball is, and then that ball gets hit into the pocket and it progresses through the different balls. And now we're trying to use numbers in everyday life, so most of the students will know a phone number. They might even have a phone number. One thing that I've found that you need to pre-teach is 0, because sometimes they do skip over that when they're going over the numbers. So we talk about 0 and how it is. They're going to listen to the telephone, and then they've got to tell me which telephone is the correct one, which one has the numbers. So it's 295321006. I do have the text as this is for the lower levels, but sometimes I would just read this out myself. So they have to kind of work out the words, the number words, and then do it to the digits. And then you click on the actual digits to see if you've got the correct one. So we have a bunch of different telephone numbers, and I might ask them what their telephone number is, see if they can tell me, and I'll make a joke about calling their parents to say they're doing really good or they're doing really bad, whatever. And then we're going to go into a game, song, where we do singing and we do dancing, and it's to break up the class. Coming back from that song, we're then going to read a story. So this story is about dogs with different numbers, and it's a rhyme basically. Playing chase is so much fun. My name's Rover, I'm dog number 1. I love lying around with nothing to do. Call me Lucy, I'm dog number. It's a really easy story, and it does progress by the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. So they get it, but it's really fun and easy to read along to, and the vocabulary isn't too hard for this lower level PowerPoint lesson. So we have this story, we go through the story together, we listen to the story and we read the story all as a class, and then we're going to do another song and another bit of a dance to break things up. Then we're going to come back to a bomb game. It's a superhero bomb game, and basically it's just a gamified version of this lesson, but they have to count. So how many blah 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 is on the table, and that's actually another PowerPoint that you can get from us, and it's a bomb game PowerPoint, and what we'll do is we'll put a link to that below. Well, that's the end of our video. If you enjoyed that video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel, and remember to check out the links below to download this PowerPoint and the game as well. Bye bye.